Boys and girls, travel arena, how's everybody doing? Location, Harlem, USA. We're here at the Harlem Community Fridge. That's a fridge doing on the outside. Well, this is a fridge started by two young ladies live here in the community that want to give back. And this fridge is open the entire community. You can come here, get what you want, and as always, feel free to make a donation. As you can see, the local members of the community stop by, do a little bit of shopping for a family. Right there at the bottom is my contribution. Those cans down there. Mostly chickpeas. I don't eat chickpeas, but you know what they say. Another person's, what they don't eat is someone else's feast. But this here is on (29th) and West 120th Street up here in beautiful Harlem. If you get a chance, definitely check this place out. Go get a little something for yourself. And if you have any leftovers, anything you want to give away, for the community, for those that are unfortunate, or even if you have something in your house that's probably, about to expire, or you just don't eat, and you happen to be in this area, just put it in the fridge. Trust me, somebody will take it. When I first came, it was empty. Like I said, I put those cans at the bottom, and then someone else came and put the rest of the fruit and veggies in there, and shortly thereafter, someone came in here and went shopping. But definitely give a shout out to the two young ladies that started this, giving back to the community. It's not often you see something like this. You may see like a pantry or food bank, but how often do you see a fridge, at the corner? Just loaded with goodies for the community to take. You don't see it too often. I saw this on YouTube and figured I'd come here and make a trip up here and put this on YouTube myself. Of course, the outside, they put little decorations on the outside. As you see, it's not just sitting out here to keep it. This wooden box here, a crate or whatever, wooden crate. Keep it safe from the elements. Yeah, short little video. It says National Preparedness Month, and always be prepared. But at the same time, don't just be prepared, but give back to those who, are under, circumstances cannot prepare. But we can always give back to them and help them out. And it's always nice to come to beautiful Harlem anyway. Alright, think about the storm. The wind has picked up. I gotta go. It's about to rain real hard. I gotta go find some shade. Anyway. Share this video. And if you're in town, like I said, 29th. West 120th Street, beautiful Harlem, USA. Drop off a donation, give back to the community, and those who can't prepare, we can help them prepare and spider up.